What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Pop Culture Gamers video. And today I've got a nice little unboxing for you, and it is a waterproof case for the iPhone. So this is one that's been sent to me by our friends over at Sportlink, who have got in contact with me about this. So this is a waterproof case. It's IPX8 certified. It's drop proof as well, from for heights of up to 6.6 feet. Dust proof, IPS6X, zero dust intrusion, and snow proof. So it's close to snow and ice, which is good as well. So lots of protection for your phone. This is the case that I normally use, and on here we have my actual phone itself. So let's open this up and have a look. Opening it up upside down. So this is obviously a full shell case. That's the first thing that's obviously struck me here. So let's see what we get in with here. So we've got this, which seems to be an opening tool. We've got the instruction manual, we've got some wipes, and we've got a screen, obviously, because it will cover over the screen there. To install, what we do is remove any skin or screen protector, clean the device with fluids and a cloth, align the device mute button on the case itself, snap the case back on, and then open the charging port, squeeze out the air from there and close up the gap, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's have a look and see how this does go. So we've got the case here, so we've got a caution button on there. So let's take my phone out of here. So I'm just going to clean the screen like so. So this is the back that will clip onto there. Obviously we've got this. So it says on here, make sure to remove any screen protection before reinstalling. Please peel this off. So let's peel this off. Use the screen cleaner as well. There's a little microfiber cloth that comes with it. Align up the tabs and then snap into place. And then take the back and snap on. So with this, what I've noticed here straight away is here it does actually seem to obscure a little bit of the actual screen itself. Everything else seems to be working. It is supposed to be MagSafe as well, so let's try that one out. So just using my MagSafe charger here, let's see. So yes, it does. The unfortunate thing though is because of this curved thing, this is probably going to be just a problem for me, but the MagSafe doesn't hold on there. So as a result of that, that means that I can't use this stand anymore to do the MagSafe. So slight design issue, something that you might need to take into consideration is if you are using a MagSafe stand. I use this because I quite like it to be used as a clock, and it also charges my phone as well. But here, for example, without like a stand, it'll work. It works fine, no problem at all. Your MagSafe comes on. So as we can see, we've got wireless charging, not a problem. However, the main issue for me is the fact that it's not letting enough magnetism through. So, you know, unless I had something that would hold up the phone, that might be an issue. And it might be an issue for you, or it might not be. But in terms of ruggedness, this certainly feels very rugged, and as you can see from the bang on the table, it's going to be shock resistant. It makes the screen feel a bit spongy, I must admit. That might be to do with the application of how I've applied it, or it might be something else, but it's, you know, certainly it is a very nice, you know, it's a nice size case. It does make the phone feel very large as well. In terms of, let's have a look and see what the look in the camera is. Yeah, the camera seems to be pretty much unobstructed in terms of the view. It's, if you're in the market for a waterproof case that's nice and rugged, then this is going to be really the one that you want. You've got the full access to the data port in there, and as you can see as well, it's nicely covered. This is going to be really useful for like going to the beach or something or other like that, where I want a little bit more extra protection for my phone. Then, you know, I can drop this in water. There's been a couple of times I was at a couple of places near some open water. I was taking pictures on a bridge, and I was like, don't drop your camera, don't drop your don't drop your phone, don't drop your phone. So something to consider, but a very nice case nevertheless. Just check on compatibility with some of your equipment, because the this rugged back may not be 100% compatible with some of your devices. That's the only real thing that I can say that's anywhere negative about this, because it is a nice thing, and it even lets your torch come on as well. So yeah, good case, definitely one to buy. There is a link in the description to this. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.